Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. In today's video, we discuss customer service excellence, building rapport with clients. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of building rapport with clients and how it contributes to customer service excellence. As an automotive technician, establishing a strong connection with your clients can lead to increased customer satisfaction, repeat business, and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Let's explore some effective strategies to build rapport and enhance your customer service skills. Understanding the importance of rapport building. Why is building rapport crucial for automotive technicians? The impact of customer satisfaction on business growth, and how positive relationships lead to repeat business and referrals. Effective communication. Active listening techniques. Understanding customer concerns and expectations. Asking relevant questions to gather information and address customer needs. Clear and concise communication to avoid misunderstandings. Personalizing the customer experience. Treating each customer as an individual, remembering names, preferences, and previous interactions. Demonstrating empathy and understanding towards customer concerns. Going the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. Professionalism and expertise. Showcasing technical knowledge and expertise to gain customer trust. Keeping up to date with industry trends and advancements. And presenting a professional appearance and maintaining a clean work environment. Transparency and honesty. Providing accurate estimates and explanations of repairs and costs. Avoiding technical jargon and explaining in simple terms. Informing customers about potential issues and preventive maintenance. Handling complaints and difficult situations. Staying calm and composed when faced with challenging customers. Active problem solving and conflict resolution techniques. Turning negative experiences into positive outcomes. Going above and beyond. Offering additional services or recommendations based on customer needs. Providing follow-up and post-service support. Building long-term relationships for future business. Embracing technology. Utilizing digital tools for effective communication and scheduling. Implementing customer feedback systems and online reviews. Leveraging social media platforms to engage with customers. Building rapport with clients is a critical aspect of providing exceptional customer service as an automotive technician. By mastering effective communication, personalizing the customer experience, showcasing professionalism, practicing transparency, and going the extra mile, you can establish strong connections and foster loyal customers. Remember, a loyal customer will not only return for future services, but can also become an advocate for your business, driving growth and success in your automotive career. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.